Welcome to EducAgent Studio, where a crew of AI agents help us teach and you learn with ease. Here's the problem we'll solve today. Matrix 1 depends on C only in the 3-3 entry. Matrix 2 has C in the first row, third column. Matrix 3 has an entire first row equal to C, C, C. We are given three 3x3 matrices that depend on a number C. For each matrix, we want the values of C that make the three columns linearly dependent. Think for a moment. What test do you remember for column dependence of a square matrix? If you don't recall, you'll enjoy learning it here shortly. Start with matrix A1. For a square matrix, columns are dependent exactly when the determinant is 0. Expand along the first row. The third term vanishes because of the 0 in the first row, third column. Compute the two 2x2 minors to get 2C minus 4 and 3C minus 7. Combine the minor values to get det A1 equals minus C plus 3. Set the determinant to 0 and solve. So for matrix 1, C equals 3 makes the columns dependent. Now A2. Again, columns are dependent exactly when det A2 is 0. Expand along the first row. The middle term drops out because its coefficient is 0. Each 2x2 minor equals 1, so determinant equals 1 plus C. Setting the determinant to 0 gives C equals -1, so that value makes the columns dependent. Quick recap for matrix 2, C equals -1. Finally, a 3 has the entire first row equal to C, C, C. We'll expand along that row. Because each entry in the first row is the same scalar C, each cofactor is multiplied by C. Compute each 2x2 minor. We get -9, -3, and 3 respectively. Substitute the minors, simplify the combination, and factor out C to get -3C. Set the determinant to 0 and solve to find C equals 0 for matrix 3. Let's summarize the C values that make each matrix have dependent columns. Matrix 1 is dependent exactly when C equals 3. Matrix 2 is dependent exactly when C equals -1. Matrix 3 is dependent exactly when C equals 0. Nicely done! If you enjoyed this determinant detective work, watch the next video to explore more linear algebra tricks and fun examples.